YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shuchetana and I make content related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle. And if you are interested, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell just next to it so that you don't miss any update. And now let's move on to the video. So by the title of today's video already you guys know this is going to be another vlog, and this is not going to be any random vlog. This is going to be my vaccine experience vlog, and yeah, I am very excited to share my experience with you all. Finally, it's our turn to take the vaccination. Today is 7th of June and tomorrow, that is 8th of June, we are going to get vaccinated. By we, I mean me and my mom. We are both going to get the first dose of vaccine tomorrow, and I just thought that I'll share the experience with you all so that you all can know what are the things that happen and stuff like that. So I think this is going to be interesting for you all, and also I'll try to make it as informative as possible. So yeah, please keep on watching to know what all happens in my vaccine experience. You guys might find the video a little gloomy because this is not my usual setup. I shoot in natural lighting, and right now it is 5 o'clock in the evening. Also, it's raining very heavily outside. You can get a little bit of noise from the fan as well. So yeah, please adjust to all of that. So tomorrow finally we are going to get vaccinated. We had already registered in the CoWIN website, and my mama and my cousin brother, they helped us in getting the slots. So yeah, I'm not getting into that detail much. So finally we have the slot. We have an appointment in the Kolkata's Bellevue Clinic tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:15, 9:30. So we have been told to reach a little early and not be late. So we will try to reach there by 9:15 itself, because it's better if we reach early, but we don't want to be late. So yeah, that is about the update as of now. I do not have much to share today. I just want a very good night's sleep today, because we need all of that for the vaccination. And tomorrow I'll be sharing what I am doing from the morning itself. So yeah, please stay tuned and I'll talk to you all in the morning. One thing I would like to share is that I'm very excited. I mean, I was also a little nervous, but I'm also very excited because after 5 months I'll be going out of my house, and the vaccination center that we are going is a little far away from my home. So it would take us around 30 to 40 minutes to reach there. So that is like a very exciting thing for me at this situation. Like, going out is a luxury. So I'm very excited to go out finally, and yeah, I'm very excited to go on a not so long drive, because like 30 to 40 minutes outside my house on the road is like a blessing for me. So yeah, I hope this vaccine experience is good for me. So fingers crossed and hoping for the best. And yeah, that's about it. See you all tomorrow. So we are all ready to go out. It's 8:15 right now, and I'll just wear my mask. I'm all ready. I've not done anything else because mask तो पहनना ही है इसके ऊपर. So I'll wear the mask and then go out, and then I'll show you आगे क्या होता है. So yeah, stay tuned. We are all set to go, so let's go. god, I look genuinely rough, but yeah, ignore my face right now because yeah, we got vaccinated and the experience was quite good as of now. So I'm back home. We came back home at around 12 and the experience was really good. I shared all the clips with you all. It was not possible for me to directly vlog like talking there because it was it was a little awkward, and also this was a serious thing. Everybody was there for their vaccination and I did not find it very nice to vlog over there, so I did not talk there, but I tried to capture all the footages and I hope you guys understood that the arrangement made there was really nice. The clinic I went on to has set up things really well. We went to the La Martiniere for boys school and that was the center for vaccination actually. The nurses and staffs were very well behaved. They were very efficient. Sometimes the area was getting a little crowded, but they were also working really hard. They were also working towards it, and the experience was really nice that I experienced. Now coming to the vaccination experience, it did not pain even a bit. I expected a little bit of pain, like whenever we even take injections it pains a little, but this time I did not even know that it has been done. However, my mom felt a little bit of pain on her hand. Maybe she was a little stiff while taking the vaccination, so I would suggest that whenever you are going for it, just relax your body and do not be very stiff, otherwise you might get a little bit of pain, which is also very very nominal. So actually you all do not need to be afraid of it because I have experienced it and it was very very painless. So yeah, that's a yay from my side. Next, I wanted to take a picture. As usual, everybody was taking picture and posting everywhere, but the vaccination center that I went on to did not allow us to take any picture or any video or anything of that sort. So I couldn't take the picture or video of me getting vaccinated, but yeah, I captured everything else. So yeah, that was another thing. I got it on my left hand and right now it's a little sore, like not I do not have any sort of pain, like it's not paining, but I do feel like it's a little heavy from there. So I'm not feeling anything else. Even my mom is not feeling anything else. Both of us are fine as of now, and I look really rough because maybe I went out after a really long time, or maybe I was a little tensed before getting vaccinated. I do not know what the issue is, but after I came back home, I was so tired. I just ate something. First I had a bath, a proper bath, and I sanitized everything. My phone and the stuffs I have taken out, and then I just had my food and I just crashed onto bed. And I just woke up right now. I don't know, I was feeling very sleepy. Maybe it can be the effect of vaccination, or can be because I woke up really early and it was an experience of going out after a really long time. I do not know, but I was feeling so tired, like I was feeling so sleepy. And after waking up, now I am feeling better. I did not even had the energy to remove my kajal, so you can see everything is smudged on my face. And yeah, that is how the situation is as of now. It's 6 o'clock in the evening and I'm doing completely fine. I'm just waiting and observing whether we will be getting fever or anything of that sort. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted about it. So yeah, as of now the experience is good and I would urge everyone to get vaccinated no matter what. So that was it. That is something that I wanted to share. Also, I posted a picture on my Instagram of me getting vaccinated. The picture I have posted in this video as well. I think you saw that, the picture of me and my mom with the vaccine sticker. So people were asking about my dress, whether I wore a full sleeve dress or not. You guys saw in the video the ruffle top kurti that I was wearing. Actually, that was a basic 3/4 kurti, like the kurtis that I always wear. I am someone who doesn't wear sleeveless dresses, and I do not own any sleeveless dresses. So basically my mom made that dress for me. She made those sleeves for me so that I can take the vaccine easily. And that was a story in itself. Like the time my registration was complete, I was like, oh god, what do I wear now? Like usually I think about wearing dresses, but this time the question was even bigger. Like, I do not own any sleeveless dress, or I do not even own any half sleeve dress as well. I always wear full sleeves or three quarters. So it was an experience. My mom literally took a few hours to make that sleeve for me. She made a ruffle sleeved kurti for me. I would show that to you all right now. It's in the washing area because I was wearing that outside, so it's in the washing area. So after it is washed, if I can, I will show that dress to you. And I loved it so much. I actually told her to make another one for me again, like a good one. This time this was an old kurti with where she made the sleeves, but I want her to make another one for me, like a new kurti with a new sleeve, so that I can wear it often, because I loved how it looked on me. So yeah, that was a story that I wanted to share. Now I would not talk much. I'm feeling like perfectly fine. I'm not feeling feverish or anything of that sort. Like, the arm is a little sore, but it's not like something too big. I can move my hands and everything, so that's fine. So yeah, that was the experience as of now, 6 p.m. on the day of vaccination. Now next, I'll post you all about the next update, and I'm just praying that I don't get any severe symptoms or anything like post-vaccine symptoms. So yeah, praying for that, and I'll talk to you guys later. Stay tuned. Everyone says that I'm very organized. I have heard that a number of times, that I'm so organized and my room is always very organized. But today I'll show that how messy my room looks right now. So yeah, let me show that to you all first. This is the halat of my room. Everything is messed. Everything is in a messed up condition because I was working, and so yeah, I need to figure things out. So I just showed you all the halat of my room, and that is because I was not doing anything yesterday and day before, and even day before, because I was all occupied with the thoughts of vaccination in my mind, that मुझे और कुछ करने का मन ही नहीं होता था. I was always thinking about this only. Like, before vaccination, I was thinking what will happen after vaccination, and after vaccination, that was another story, and I'm here to depict that story to you all. So this is basically the 3rd day of my vaccination. Like, I took it on the 8th, and today is 10th of June. So I told you all the last time I vlogged, it was the day of vaccination itself, and I told you all that I do have slight soreness in the arm, and that's about it. I was actually sitting and waiting for the fever to come, but thankfully it didn't, and we are very thankful. Both me and my mom, we did not experience anything else, like no physical problem, no symptoms, nothing. Just we had this soreness in the arm. This was not even pain, like this was a soreness. Like, if you work out a lot, एक टाइप का मसल पेन होता है अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा वर्कआउट कर लेते हो, तो इट वॉज फीलिंग लाइक दैट. लाइक, इट वॉज फीलिंग लाइक यू हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी एंड योर मसल इज बेसिकली सोर. So that was about it, and we did not face anything. But one thing we faced is that we were always sleepy. Like, the day we came home after vaccination, घर आते ही हम सो गए, और फिर हम उठ गए शाम को, और फिर थोड़े टाइम बाद खाना वाना खा के, डिनर खा के, हम लोग फिर से सो गए. हम लोग जल्दी सो गए, और हम जल्दी उठ भी गए अगले दिन सुबह. और उसके बाद फिर से नींद आना चालू हो गया, तो हम ऐसे ही बस सोते लेटे बैठे ऐसे ही वी वर पासिंग द डेज, बिकॉज तब अच्छा लग रहा था. वी वर नॉट फीलिंग 100% ऑफ आवर एनर्जी, एंड वी ऑल्सो wanted it to keep it that way. Like, we wanted to rest. So what we did was we rested the whole day yesterday. We slept a lot, and वो करने के बाद एक्चुअली वी वर फीलिंग गुड. लाइक, अगर नहीं सो रहे थे तो लग रहा था कि टायर्ड लग रहा है. वी वर फीलिंग वेरी टायर्ड एंड डिजी. बट अगर सो लेते थे, तो सोने के बाद जब हम उठते थे, तब वी वर फीलिंग रियली नाइस. सो वी डिड दैट. वी स्लेप्ट अ लॉट, एंड फाइनली ऑन द 3rd day, that is today, everything is fine. I have a little bit of pain, like बहुत थोड़ा सा. My mom's completely fine. She also has a little bit of heaviness on her arm, but it's nothing too severe. So we are very happy that nothing major happened. So yeah, I know a lot of people get a lot of symptoms like fever and body ache and headache and stuff like that. So we were a little tensed about the situation that these things can happen. Oh, also, we took a paracetamol in the night after taking the vaccination. On the day itself, we were being told by the doctor itself that raat ko, if you feel like the arm is feeling a little heavy or anything, you can take a paracetamol. So we took that. So those people will always guide you over there, so that's not a problem. They'll guide you what things to do if you get any symptoms. So yeah, that's not there's nothing to worry about it. So if I have to give my verdict, my experience is super smooth, super fine. I did not face any problem, and right now I am at the best of my energy. And I started working as well. I was working for a brand, and I need to do some I need to deliver some content, and I was creating them. So I am in a good mood today because I'm working. Because I wasn't working since a few days, like before vaccination also I pre-filmed, so I'm not shooting videos, but I was clicking some pictures and everything that I need to do. So yeah, I'm feeling absolutely fine. And so yeah, that was my experience. अगर मुझे कुछ suggestions देने हैं, I'll ask you all to have a really good night's sleep before the day of vaccination. It is very important. In the morning, try to stay calm as possible. थोड़ा टेंशन सभी को होगा, वो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, but try to stay as calm as possible. Hydrate yourself really well, very 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 important. And always have a full proper meal before going for the vaccination, like a real proper meal. Like if you're going in the morning, do not have breakfast, have your lunch in the morning itself and then go. Like have proper full meal. If you're a non-vegetarian, have some protein, animals protein. If you are a vegetarian, try to add paneer and stuff, like rich nutritious food. You need that before vaccination. So have good amount of food and intake a lot of water before going for the vaccination. That is one thing. Another thing is that while taking the vaccine, try to lose your body and then sit. Do not be very stiff, otherwise it might pain a little. So yeah, that is one thing. Also after vaccination, do not overwork yourself. ऐसे प्लान कर लो कि वैक्सीन लेने के बाद आई टेक रेस्ट फॉर 2 days, नो मैटर वॉट, लाइक द डे ऑफ वैक्सीनेशन एंड द डे आफ्टर. अगर कुछ सिम्टम्स होता है, इफ यू गेट फीवर और एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट, देन तो यू विल फिगर इट आउट, और वो भी 2-3 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा. बट इफ यू डू नॉट गेट एनीथिंग ऑल्सो, डू नॉट ओवरवर्क योरसेल्फ, हैव a complete rest, because that way I think your body will feel better. Like in our case, we did that, we took complete rest. Yeah, that's one thing. And after vaccination also take at least 2 to 3 liters of water each day, because that is very important. It's very important to hydrate yourself, because the vaccine can dehydrate you, and that is not good. So hydrate yourself really well. So yeah, that's about it. You do not need to do a lot of things, and just be calm and try to get the vaccine as soon as possible, as soon as your turn comes. So go for it, and I wish you all the best for a good vaccine experience, because my experience was good. Touch wood, I am doing fine, my mom's doing fine. So yeah, that's about it. And one thing I said last time I would like to show is that the dress that I was wearing, and this has been washed and cleaned and everything. So yeah, this is the kurti that I wore that day. This was a basic 3/4 kurti, like the kurtis I wear all the time. But because I need to go for vaccination and you can't roll the sleeves up till here to take the vaccine, so my mom cut the sleeve and made this sleeves for me. You can see this is how this looks, and this is beautiful. I loved it so much. This was looking so good on me, and whenever I was wearing this, like I'll show it to you all. Like if you wear it this way, yeah, if you wear it this way, this is how this is gonna look like. And yeah, so yeah, this is very pretty, and vaccine experience was extremely fine and smooth, because you'll be able to roll the sleeves like that and take the vaccine. And again, after vaccination we did it there, and yeah, it was very smooth. So yeah, this was an old kurti where my mom made the sleeves, but I have told her to make a new kurti, but I mean make these sleeves on a new kurti so that I can wear it often. So do let me know if you guys liked it, and if there is any person who do not wear half sleeves or sleeveless, they can definitely go for this kind of dress. If you have time, you can buy it. You can buy it online, you can buy it anywhere, from anywhere. Or if you have a super mom like me, you can ask her to make it for you. Yeah, that was about that was the story about my dress. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Do let me know if you did. I'll tell my mom and she'll be very very happy to know. So that's about it. I'm completely fine and I'll go back to shooting very very soon. You guys will be seeing the vlog super soon because I'll just edit it and try to upload it on the next uploading day that I have. I was unable to upload a video on Tuesday, where my usual upload day, because that day I went for the vaccination, so I couldn't upload a video, and so I uploaded the video on Wednesday. So my usual upload day is, the next upload day is Friday, but I don't think I'll be uploading this vlog on Friday. Maybe you are going to watch this vlog on Saturday. So yeah, I will see if I am uploading it on Friday or Saturday, but you're going to see it super soon, and I tried to make this as informative as possible. I hope you guys find this helpful, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and family that they also might find it helpful. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. I post a lot of content on Instagram. I will put the link of my Instagram handle in the description below. You can check it out from there and follow me on Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.